So hello guys, welcome to another section where you get to know how to add your designs maybe from Photoshop and then add them to Canva, and it helps to maybe you want someone else to have access to the design, being able to change some stuff. You understand? So let's go. So the first thing you need to do is go to your design, which is the design you have in the Photoshop. Now, what are the parts that I actually want people to have access to, like being able to change and all from their end? So the first one is, let me say this. Okay, so this is actually let me share with you. So number one thing, like the first thing that we need to look at for is things that people can actually change. Okay, so this is the design, but then my client actually wants to use this template. You understand? And the only thing that she would be changing is the picture and the topic of the blog post. You get? So she should be able to change the picture and the text. So the only content that actually constant is the logo and the web address. You understand? So I would leave that to be a constant one. And so let's go back to our Photoshop. So I'm leaving this and this as a constant one. So I'm going to export this as JPEG. Yeah, so I've saved that as constant. So I'm going to save this second one as PNG. Yeah, so I'm going to save this separately as PNG. Yeah, so I've saved that as PNG. I think that's all. Now going back to my Canva, click on create a design. Yeah, so Instagram post, so that's the square, the size you get. So now we need to import. Okay, so this is the first one, just the background. Still loading. Yeah, so drag here and drag here. Yeah, so you can pin this, like lock it. So the next one is this particular stuff. Yeah, so just try to maintain the size you have for it. So let me crop it down. Okay, so the image, I need to add the image. So she'll just change it, so she doesn't have to. Okay, so still loading. Yeah, now don't forget how it looks like. Extend from one end to another end, and also at the back of this. You understand? You see, now bring to the back, layer, back, layer, backward. Yeah, so can you see? Now I'm done with this. Then share. About to share it with so I'm sharing this now. Okay, so I just had to type a message, in respect to what I want to send. So once you're done, and you have this, so you can also copy the link and just send it to your customer or your client directly, and then sure to make it as an administrator, access and all. And that's that on how you can add your design for people to use. You understand? So thank you. See you in our next tutorial.